Hello everyone, you are watching my YouTube channel EMK Tech Zone. In this video, I am going to share a latest method. By using this method, you can easily edit any PDF file without using any PDF editor. First of all, what you need to do is to just right click on your desktop. Here you will see a new option. When you click on new option, another menu will be open and you have to click on Microsoft Word document. Simply click over here. When you click over here, this new file has been created on your desktop. Simply double click on this file. That file has been opened. Here you will click on insert button. On the right side you will see an option. When you click on this drop down menu, there will be two options over here, object and text from the file. You have to select text from the file option. When you click over here, a pop-up will be appear. Here you have to select that file that you want to edit. I am going to select this file and then I have to click on the insert button. As soon as I click on the insert button, this dialog box will be open. You need to click on the OK button. Here you will see that your file has been opened and you can edit that file easily. Then you have to click on the save button. Your file has been saved. For more such kind of video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.